of this sinister structure. Back and forth. How do these superstars keep doing it? Ah, look at this.
Oh, no, he's just obsessed with punishing that back. And now heading back down.
That one got him. Look at this. Oh, he's going for the eyes. It's such an effective move. Watch out here.
Oh, no way. He can't seriously be heading up again.
Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt.
Doing whatever it takes to win.
Oh, man, the athleticism.
And now he's in pursuit. I can't believe this. What are we going to see here?
Oh, no. Oh, look out.
And now Triple H going for another pedigree. The steel girders are starting to break.
And HBK hits the flying forearm.
Woo, a little showboating going on here. Great reversal. The game plan taking hold. The leg is just being absolutely dissected here.
What's he doing? Stop the count, ref.
And he barely avoids the pinfall. What an amazingly gifted maneuver.
What are they doing up there? This is suicide. Ow. Ah. Look at him unloading with the Dez press. And Michael's face is now covered. This is bad. This is real bad.
Triple H. Oh, my God. He just sent his opponent through the roof of the cell.
Uh-oh. Hey. What? Again? Not again. Right on the nose. And he wants to get out of there in the worst way.
This could do it. One, two. And here's a kick out by Punk.
Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Punk is just a mess now. Watch out here.
Triple H.
He's on spaghetti legs now. Oh, no. Whoa, what a hit.
Once more. Pedigree, pedigree. The game's going to do it.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
Three. And it's game over.
Here are your winners, Shawn Michaels and Triple H. D-Generation X.
He gets a big victory here tonight.
Love him or hate him, that was an incredible match.